Hey, Bubbly Bears, it's math time, and so let's review real quick. You've noticed I have something up that you did not see, especially for those who come to class either in STEAMer 1 or 2. But we are working on our numbers. Not all of you know your numbers from 1 to 10. So I have something called touch math. Each number has a point, so you can remember. Look at the number 1. You have 1 touch, 2, 1, 2. Here's number 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 6, boys and girls, pay closely attention to. 1, 2, 3. Then you count the circles on the outsides. 4, 5, 6. 7 works the same way. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. Here's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Touch math will help you identify your numbers from 1 to 9 for those that don't know them. Boys and girls, remember numbers in the teens have a group of what? 10 and some extra ones. 14 is a 1 and 4. 13 is a 1 with what? A 3. Good job. 18 is a 1 with an 8. Make sure you remember numbers in the teens, the 1 is the line leader. It has to be first. Now, we know it's the week of Christmas before we get out for Christmas, but we still have to work on counting. So take a look right here. You have boxcar counting. Boxcar counting. He's headed to the North Pole. And why is he going to the North Pole? You're right, to help Santa out. Take a look up here. There's some missing numbers. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 4, 7. We know that we don't count that way. You have numbers at the bottom. 16, 3, 12, 6, 20, 8, 13, 24, 5, and 22. Well, the boxcar driver needs your help counting from 1 to 25. You're going to color those numbers, you're going to cut them straight across, and you're going to insert the missing numbers. When you finish, it's going to look like this. Take a look. Those are all the numbers. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and there's 25. Excellent job. I know you can do it, so let's get that counting going. As we continue to talk about numbers in the teens, let's look at sets. We know that a set is a group of what? Object. You have different sets. Look at those bears at the top. Let's count those bears to see how many we have. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How do we write 11? 1, 1. Excellent job. So you're going to count and write the numbers in the box and do a good job on it. Remember, numbers in the teens, that 1 comes first. All right. Boys and girls, the Christmas tree originated from Germany. Germany is another country. Now you decorate your Christmas trees, and no 2 trees look the same. So today you're going to count the ornaments on the tree. It says, how many ornaments? Count and write the numbers on the line. Let's count this tree. Ornaments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to the right and then come down. Color your Christmas trees green. Color your ornaments a different color and write those numbers correctly. Quality. Quality, everybody. That's what we're doing for Wednesday with the Christmas tree. And you're also going to make a Christmas tree puppet that I'll talk about in a few moments. We know that a graph gives us information. Remember when we're talking about Kwanzaa? Kwanzaa is an African-American holiday that starts the day after Christmas. So you're going to count. Look at that. You have fruits in the bowl. I see bananas, apples. There's some corn also, and pineapples. You count the number that's in the bowl, and you color that many to create a graph. So when you're finished, it will tell you how many of each object was in the bowl. It looks like this. Quality. Quality. All right, and the last thing I want you to do, I want you to work on writing your numbers from 11 to 20. Those are your number words. Trace them, and then on the side, I want you to write those numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Let's count by tens to 100. A lot of you couldn't count by tens. Let's work on it. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What about blasting off? Remember, we start at 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Make sure we're doing that. And Bubbly Bears practice counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And before we close with math, let's zoom in on our 2D shapes. Many of you can't tell me these shapes yet. Susie circle, Tommy triangle, Ricky rectangle, Sandy square, Opal oval, that is Dee Dee diamond, and Harry hexagon. Practice working on those, and then practice looking at how we can touch dots to represent numbers from 1 to 9. Happy counting, happy learning, and we'll see you later.